Welcome everyone to Dancing with Data. So guys, what are the three factors that you think which are helping you to focus on Shah Rukh Khan only? Number one, the color of his clothes, like different with respect to the background dancers over there. Second thing, his positioning. If you see, he is quite ahead with respect to the other dancers. Third thing, again, the contrast. Background is dark and he is wearing light colored clothes over there. So these are the three factors. And I was talking about pre-attentive attributes. So simple, right? We move forward. If you're liking my videos, give the thumbs up so that I get to know. Put your comment, ask me for something else if you want. And if you're coming here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because a lot more is to come. So who am I? I am Ritesh, two times Tableau ambassador and one time Power BI super user, first in the world to hold both the titles. And I'm glad to launch my new website. So you come over here to find new, innovative, informative, out of the box videos along with the blog. So let's talk about our blog. Today, as I mentioned that we are interested to know more about pre-attentive visual properties. So this is my blog for you. So definitely this video will be attached to this blog. Okay, let's come back to this story. So what's the story? So this story is all about my interaction with Arif, who is my student. Well, he came up with a decent dashboard, and I'll show you the interactive version of the same as well. So, well, this dashboard is based on crop analytics. It talks about the KPIs like area harvested, production yield, so forth and so on. So I worked along with Arif to improve this. So I can go from top to bottom. So you can see a lot of colors have been used over there, right? Decent one, but I thought that there was space for improvement over there. Before we move ahead and try to improve Arif's dashboard, let us try to understand the pre-attentive qualities over there. Well, pre-attentive qualities are nothing, but it's all about how subconsciously your mind analyzes characteristics over there. For example, in this case, you may focus directly on Shah Rukh Khan. Here, your point of focus can be this man, the great Kali. Well, here, this is an example of movement. So we can show you the video and definitely you will notice someone if he's or she is coming in the opposite direction and that too like this way. So just to summarize, we focus on Shah Rukh Khan here because of the contrast of the color of his clothes with respect to the background dancers. Second thing, the position, if you see, is quite ahead with respect to the other dancer. Third thing is the color is different with respect to the other dancers. Here, because of the length of the great Kali, your focus can go here. The moment, unusual moment in this case where she is moving fast into the opposite direction of traffic. So definitely you will notice her if you are in the car somewhere there. Well, as per Colin Weir, he defines the four pre-attentive visual qualities as follows: like color, Shah Rukh Khan light colored attire make it easier to distinguish from all other dancers there. Form, length, the great Kali whose height was renowned across the world aside from thrashing he inflicted on Undertaker. Moment. Do you recall the Matrix lady spat off the other direction of the flow of traffic? Yes, I do remember. Again, positioning. Shah Rukh Khan is especially noticeable because of where he is in relation to other dancers. He is very in front of them. That's true. Not only these factors, overall, if you see the orientation, length, width, size, shape, curvature, edit marks, and closer, contrast, color, positioning, and spatial grouping. Now, these are all the pre-attentive traits that can draw your attention. Now, it's up to you. If your audience is focusing on the correct element that you want them to focus on, then you are going in the right direction. But if you are not, then you have to pay attention to the same thing, right? You need to put more effort into establishing your visualization. Now, this is the time for Arif to work upon my suggestions, and he did not disappoint me. He just turned this very particular visualization into this beautiful visualization that you can see in front of you. Okay, so which areas he focused on? So let's see. Color. Given that subject matter is crop, it makes it reasonable to choose a green color scheme that provides the impression that you are seated in the middle of a green field. That's correct, very soothing to eye and very much matching with your theme or the topic over there. Makes sense. Again, the color. Currently, colors are using sparingly and are not used in places where they are not necessary. The first thing that I advised to him was that don't make excess use of colors over there. There is no need to give one color to one district, so forth and so on. It can be distracting for sure. So now you can see the change, the difference, neat and clean, soothing to eyes, isn't it? Even if you see the positioning part, previously the filter was at the top and alongside the other KPIs, but now it is in a better location, complemented by other options like download and view and switch. So if you see, this is the filter, which is like similar position with respect to these KPIs over there, and at the same time you had some unnecessary borders over there that you can see. You know, you would like to focus on the numbers, not on the borders over there. Now you can see the positioning of the filters. Not only that, you can show filter or you can hide filter. So we are making use of the show and hide option, right? So again, this is a pretty cool stuff over there. You can download report, you can switch over to the other metrics over there. Like this is the farmers dashboard. I can switch over to traders. You can clearly see the clarity, the ease of use, so forth and so on. So at the end, I would just only say one thing, that the pre-attentive traits will always be present, right? Now it's up to you how to use them to your own benefit. I hope it was helpful and it gave you a fresh viewpoint for sure. So let the Shah Rukh Khan be seen right away. The longer you take, the more you detract from telling your message. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data. So if you're fans of data, should know how to have fun with data. So have fun with data.